YouTube fam, what's going on? Yeah, I got a white box, for real. So fam, this shit right here, and I'm back. I got my Boxylux box for the month of March. Y'all, I actually got this box yesterday, and I was tripping because it's white. Like, okay. White and green, maybe St. Patrick's Day, maybe. I don't know. But y'all know I ran to the YT and a lot of people had black boxes. Then I saw a white box. I was like, okay. Maybe they was just shipping out random colors. I don't know. But it's what's in the box that I want to know. So let's jump in here. For everybody who don't know or haven't seen a BoxyCharm unboxing, I'm just telling y'all to give you information. It's just a subscription beauty box that you can get. The Lux box is $49 a month. And they also got a $25 a box a month. That's just if you're a makeup junkie like myself. Other than that, you don't really need it. You don't really need it. Okay. It is St. Patrick's Day. BoxyCharm, and it says lucky on the bottom. So let's just see how lucky I am. We ain't even gonna go into variations because that number is so long it don't make sense. And the very first thing I see sitting on top is a palette. Barbarella. It's by B Beauty London. Barbarella eyeshadow palette. Says it's $50. Meet the block book of colors. Okay. Barbarella, is that like Barbarella, like Cinderella? Okay, Bobby, let me read it, y'all. I'm trying to say Barbie and Cinderella mix. It says meet the black book of color. The subtle shades of straight up blast of color. Jet meal pigments deliver intense saturated light reflecting shades with gorgeous textures plus long lasting and none creasing. Okay. Alright, let's just see. But that is so cute. That's cute. And they kind of raised. So yeah, let's see. Yeah, I was expecting some super vivid colors, but what it is mainly a real cute natural nude shade with a pop of blue. Pop of blue and then a little bit of green, but everything else is just like natural shades. It's cute. It's cute. I don't know how, to perform. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 of them are shimmers. I just want to test this one on the end. Okay, let me try one more. This green. Okay, I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, from the look of the palette, come on. Was y'all not expecting like boom, bam, a lot of pinks and purples and blues? Yeah. Anyway, this is the Barbarella palette by B Beauty. Okay, never heard of B Beauty, but I will give this palette a go and see what it's talking about. I can't get it back in now. And like I said, that was $50. Let me get all the paper out the way. The next thing on here is Glow Recipe Plump Hyaluronic Acid Serum. I think this just came out. If I'm not mistaken, this concentrated formula is your go-to serum for plump, radiant skin. It says it's $42. I need my little scissors. It's got a little plastic seal. I'm just going to cut the top open because I can't get it open and that was racking my nerves. Okay, that's cute. That's what it looks like. It's just a moisturizing. Did I read it right? Glow Recipe Plump Hyaluronic Syrup. Yeah, it's another. I said another because I just opened my beauty box and I had 2 hyaluronic acid face serums in there. So now I got one by Glow Recipe. Hadn't heard anything about it. If y'all done tried it or got it in your box, so let me know. Should I be using it now or I can put it, to the back and save it. The next thing's Fenty Beauty. What's in here? Oh, okay. Fenty Beauty Pro Lift Soft Matte Longwear Foundation. Which one is this? Oh, this is the original, the Longwear. Let me let y'all see it while I'm just running off. I couldn't find my right shade, so the Longwear Light Air Foundation gives. Anyway, y'all know what this is. $36. This is the original, and they sent it to me in $4.20. I think I picked this. I think I picked $4.20, if I'm not mistaken. I don't know. I think I had got $4.30 or $4.40 every time I kept buying it and couldn't get the right shade. So, in a BoxyCharm box, y'all, $36. Fenty Beauty. This box was what, $50? I ain't mad at that. I ain't mad at that. I can put it on my shelf for must-try foundations because I got a couple new foundations I haven't even used yet, y'all. The next thing I got in here, wait a minute. Oh, okay. I ordered this from Boxylux, y'all. Remember I showed y'all in my Boxylux haul? I wanted 2 of them, and I didn't know if I would get it in the Lux box or not. So, yeah, I got 2 of them. It's just a makeup, you know, I call it a brush holder, but you could put pencils and stuff. I'm going to put pencils in mine. I mean pencils. I'm going to put brushes in mine, and I'm going to keep the boxes to put eyeliner pencils in it. So I knew I was going to get this. That's why I bought 1 so I would have 2. This is, let me see how much this was. Foundation, Brush Crush Makeup Brush Holder. It says it's $34. It's a pretty sturdy box too. So yeah, I'm happy to get that. And the next thing in here I didn't know I was getting, which is a Kat Von D Beauty Lock-It Edge Foundation Brush. I actually purchased one of these brushes off the Kat Von D website when that Lock-It foundation came out. No, I think I bought it the second time I bought the foundation after I ran out. So I know this brush is, I know this brush is good because I already own it. And I'm happy to have it. It's the number 10 brush. Yes, foundation brush by Kat Von D or KVD. KVD Beauty now. I think somebody else owns it. The next thing I see, that brush was $34 if I didn't say it, y'all, is, what is this? Rose Quartz Hair Mask. I'm real picky with what I put in my hair now. I'm trying to grow it back after I took it out. I told you I took my hair. Oh, that's another video. Anyway, this is the Kat Von D. Kat Von D Rose Quartz. Let's see. Rose Quartz Hair Mask. Your touchstone of hair products. The Rose Quartz Hair Mask suits expression needs with 0 sulfate, sodium chloride, parabens, PEGs, or phthalates. It suits all hair types, and is safe for use. All chemical processes vegan. It's vegan, certified cruelty-free, and made in the U.S. I might look at this. I was just gonna judge it. Jeez, that was tight. I was just about to judge it, but yeah, as in most cruelty-free things, it smells like nothing. That's a hair mask. I may and I may not. Right now I'm being picky because I'm trying to get my hair back healthy and growing. And the very last thing I got in here is a Dominique Cosmetics Cream Fill and Define Lip Liner. I don't think I bought anything from Dominique Cosmetics since I got that bad lemonade palette. That's my grandbaby. That's what it looks like. He doing a fake cry on me, y'all. Oh, it's a lip liner, but it's too light to do anything. Come on. Okay, y'all. Oh, wait, there's one more thing in here. This is, I don't know what this is. AMNH Skincare Kiss the Stars 24 Karat Lip Plumping Mask. Look at that. Really? This 24 karat gold biodegradable glitter star lips plumping. Girl, y'all, he's showing out. Come here. That's what it looks like. I don't know. I don't know about that. What, you gonna put that on and just be shining like a glow ball at night? Okay, you say bye, YouTube. Bye, YouTube.